Hi, I'm Jay Crudy, the engineering manager here at Orion Fans, and I'm going to demonstrate today how easy it is to change the impeller on our new OAM open frame motors. So right now I'm going to start out with a very small impeller size. It still produces quite a bit of airflow despite its small size. You can see here the stringers moving in the airflow. Now if you decide that a larger impeller would be more appropriate for your application, it's extremely easy to replace the impeller. All we have to do is take our Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the retention screw and the washer, and grab another impeller that's more to your liking. The impellers are all stamped with the exact same mounting pattern, so it makes them interchangeable with whatever motor size you choose. And they have positioning posts here on the motor shaft to ensure that you always get the correct mount of the impeller. The impeller is also marked with markings indicating the correct side that should be facing outward and showing the direction of spin of the impeller. It also has markings showing the pitch angle of the blades, in case you ever wonder what pitch angle does this particular impeller use. So we take the impeller, and using the positioning posts on the motor, we just line that up with the impeller, and once it's on there, we simply place the retention screw and washer into the motor, screw it down with our Phillips head screwdriver, give it a little bit of torque to ensure that it won't come loose over time, and there you go. Now we've changed out the impeller and we've got a larger unit producing more airflow. So as you can see, it's very easy to accomplish. Our OAM open frame motor series gives you a lot of flexibility. So I encourage you to go to our website, orionfans.com, where you can find data sheets and drawings showing you all the performance and mechanical characteristics of the OAM open frame motor series. Thanks for joining us today.